gonna teach you about science and moles. We got DJ Frank Money, 420 Blazing Cheez-It, Croatia, and Hunter Two Forks. Gonna lay it down with some sick lyrics, if you feel it. And let's go, begin.
Once upon a time in a land far away, a little Italian jumped into the fray. Equal volume, temperature, and pressure got the same number of particles. What could be fresher? What? Everybody thought Avogadro was a doof, that his theory of moles was a pathetic spoof, but Avogadro's number was quite true. 0.0000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000 602, 602, 602, 602, 602, 602. To calculate the molecules, just multiply it. To calculate the moles, just divide. Mass over molar mass of the compound, bound to astound, knocks you on the ground, take you to the pound, you're a dog. Stoichiometry will get you that theoretical yield using ratios of moles in that atomic field. If you know the reaction and you know the moles, you can find all the secrets the equation holds. What? Okay, we're good.
Yeah! Thermodynamics. Heat always moves from hot to cold till thermal equilibrium is reached. After the contact is already old, two objects become the same heat. Endothermic cooling occurs when bonds break, but exothermic heating occurs when bonds create. The amount of heat required to raise 1 gram by 1 degree Celsius, that's so that all the other grams in the jam be envious.
Yo, gonna teach you about reactions of particle movements and the other transactions. Sit down, science guys, put you in your places, you'll be tripping the acid while I drop in the bases. This reaction is when the acid's protons transfer to the base, and then a natural change occurs. So if you wanna sit with me, find the acidity, pH scale 1 to 14, not infinity. But how do you know if the reaction occurs naturally? You find it by finding Gibbs free energy. If it's spontaneous, you could use it in alchemy, but if not, the bond's not might form casually. But how do you find spontaneity? You take its enthalpy minus its entropy, and if it's negative, it's likely that Gibbs is free. More randomness in energy, higher state. Just as randomness increases the reaction rate, that's just one of the principles of Le Chatelier's, because you know the reaction goes both ways. Shifting the reaction's equilibrium by changing the amounts from maximum to minimum. The temperature change heats the reactant, so changing pressure just for gases, not inert ones though. You can calculate the rate of the change of the constant, but find an equilibrium quotient and constant. To the non-pure substances, find their molarity. Here's the reaction just for clarity. K equals C to the C times D to the D over A to the A times B to the B over.
Gas laws and solutions are what we gonna learn. Laying it on so fast that you might feel a burn. Pressure, volume, and temperature are what you need to know. What the relationships are and how they proceed to flow. Molarity is calculated by dividing moles by volume, separating solute from solvent like 6th grade boys and girls in a ballroom. I drop some soda in my water, what percent is in there? Using percent composition we can know no scare. You know pressure is divided by temperature, end of discussion. Producing a ratio that can't even be argued by Russians. You only think there's percent composition, but guess what? There's ppm and ppb in addition. STP is standard temperature and pressure. 0 Kelvin, 1 atmosphere, just a quick refresher. It's called the Brian Shovel. Learn it.